Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Just a short video on my temporary setup here while I'm in a wheelchair and can't go up to my regular setup and everything. So I brought my Mac Mini downstairs right there, and then I picked up this keyboard and Magic Mouse from Plug Tech, a little bit discounted there. I'll leave a link to that in the description. If anybody wants to pick anything like that up, you can. I also got this LG monitor. This is just a standard 1080p LG monitor, nothing fancy. It does look pretty good though. I think it was on sale at Best Buy for like $129. So nothing too fancy, not 4K. I believe it is HDR. Don't quote me on that, but I'll leave a link. You guys can check out the specs. And then I just have this little small desk right here. I did have my MX Master and my MX Master Mechanical down here, but I picked this up for the Touch ID just to have on the Mac Mini because that is an M2 Mac Mini. So this is just my temporary setup right now while I'm stuck downstairs. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.